residency, you pay, you're following the rules, you ask for the certificate, and that's it, you get it. Okay?
And that's it. Then you can leave and
you can leave
anywhere.
You can leave.
You can live anywhere you want in the world.
Yes, that's the thing. Okay. The second stage of countries like the United Arab Emirates, they tell you have to live there at least 90 days. They have their immigration system in and out of the country is very restrictive. They will know, they type your residence ID, they will know how many days you are in and out. So
and that's
they have,
90 days
they have
per year.
Per year.
So you can leave 30 days, you can then leave the country, come back within 60 days, spend another 15 days and so forth until you sum it up to 90, and then you're free to go anywhere.
That's it. My idea for people who would like to use the UAE is just spend the winter there. Just spend you can say November, December, and January. You can have that's the best 3 months in terms of weather, and you can do a lot of things in the United Arab Emirates at this time. And then you can leave or whatever that you do. And there's other countries which will count your days in and out by the book. It's like the UK, like Canada. Like they have a very restrictive system. They will know how many days you are in or how many days they are out. If you're trying to argue with them and say you have to provide like a travel document, they have to, you'll go into trouble. So that's a certain country you count days in and out, and some countries are very flexible, and some countries they don't bother how many days actually in and out. So you need to know which country is that you are dealing with, and some rules are keep changing between. For example, here the UAE, it was 180 days and now is 90 days. It could go up down as 30 days. It's mean more business for them.
Yeah.
So that's the thing.
They're trying to attract more people to set up their residency there. Definitely. So they leave more money in the country and probably invest more.
Yeah. It's a benefit.
Great. A lot of good tips in the show again. So thanks a lot, Mo. Anything else you want to mention about this? Like maybe like an overview or like a final word for the audience on optimizing this combination of tax residencies and offshore companies.
When you're trying to do anything that we have talked about, don't get your advice from someone else who have done it. It's like I have my friend or my family who have done this, and I'll try to follow exactly the same thing you have done. Each individual or each case is totally different. Try to gather as much as information. Try to go to the expats groups on the Facebook and different social media. Try to understand, to learn about the country that you would like to open a business in or get an information in. Try to just imagine yourself living there. And once you have the mindset of this country, you'll be able to get understand other information. But don't follow an amateur advice. Amateur advice is not always. Try to get help. Try to see the some of the picture. But try to use professionals. Professionals will save you time and money and will give you long-term plan, not just getting things up and running.
And also something else that I want to add, and I think it's pretty clear from our previous shows, is that one, you don't want to cut all the ties suddenly with your current tax residency country, and two, don't rush it. It's a process.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, totally agree.
Cool, Mo. It was great having you again. Until next time, stay safe and safe travels. Take care.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Always stay global, my friends. Bye-bye.